Today we are discussing today's question of the day problem. So today's problem is longest nice Subarray. Before going to a solution, first we need to analyze the problem statement. You are given an array nums consisting of positive integers. We call a subarray of nums nice if the bitwise end of every pair of elements that are in different position in the subarray is equal to 0, which means that we have to find the longest subarray length in which each element, when we find the bitwise end between each element, it returns 0. So we need to find a length of a longest subarray in which all elements, uh, if we end between each element, we get the 0 as output. So what we are doing in this, we are applying in this a sliding window approach, and we also use in this a bit mass approach. So to start the solution, first I need to initialize the variables, such as first I initialize the answer variable, which gives us the length of a longest subarray in which each element and operation is 0. Now we initialize the bitwise, use bitwise is equal to 0, and as I discussed, we used a two-pointer approach. I initialize left with 0. Now I initialize right is equal to 0 till less than nums of size. Initially, are both pointers at 0, and we move our pointers according to the condition. So to test the condition, we we check what we do in this while operation. We basically move our left pointer if the um, bitwise and operation between the left and right are not equal to 0. We move our left pointer towards end and update the bitwise as well. Let's suppose if the bitwise end is equal to 0. So what we do, we update our used bit with that bit, through which our AND operation get right, right 0. Now we update our answer according to the length of the longest subarray. We use max operation because we need to find the longest subarray which satisfy the given condition. So as we know, we find the length by using right minus left plus 1. Let's test our approach is working or not. So why this error occur? Is this error occur because we need to remove that element. That's why we are removing that bit. We are taking the right bit, but we need to take the left bit. Now test. Yeah, it